Hello student, I am Arvind Kumar introducing the cell size, shape and number. Now we are going to start cell size. Cell size. The smallest cell is the Mycoplasma gallisapticum, having 0.1 μm long only. Mycoplasma gallisapticum. This microorganism is the smallest in the world, having only 0.1 μm in size. The mu means micron. Mu means micron. 0.1 micron in size. Most of the cell of microorganism having 1 to 10 μm in thickness. Most of the microorganisms having 1 μm to 10 μm in size. But in eukaryotic cell, the size of the cell in eukaryotic cell, size of the cell from 10 μm to 50 μm. 10 μm to 50 μm, but largest sulfur bacteria, having 250 μm. 250 μm in size. This is amazing. And the largest cell in the organism having brown algae approx 300 m, and the largest cell in human nerve cell having approx 1 meter 19 centimeter. The single cell Acetabularia, this is also a algae having 10 cm long. 10 cm long. These are the important size of the cell. Now we confirm you shape of the different cell. Shape of the different cell. Shape of different cell. How many shapes are there? Some cells are oval. Example, eggs. Second, circular or polygonal circular or polygonal. Such type of cell is found in parenchymatous cell. Parenchymatous cells. Third, irregular cells. Irregular shape of cell. Best example, nerve cell. Branched in actinomycetes. This is a bacteria. Such type of cells. And fungi. But in fungi they are multicellular. Fifth type, elongated shape of cell in mesophyll cell. Mesophyll tissue having elongated cells. Such type of cells are found in leaf mesophyll having abundant chloroplast and act in photosynthesis. Spindle shaped. Spindle shaped in fibers and tracheids. This is present in xylem. Xylem is the conductive tissue, absorb water from the soil and reach to the and provide water up to the xylem conduct water from soil to top of the plant. Seven, multinucleate cell. Multinucleated cell. Example, Vaugeria. These are the different shapes fiber in the form of this xylem, tracheids also such type of, but there is lumen, large lumen, multinucleate, the cell having many nuclei. Now come back on number of chromosome in cell or number. Single, uninucleate, single cell. And many multi-cell, single multi-cell, also called multicellular, single cell, also called unicellular. Most of the organism, microorganism are unicellular. Multicellular example: human beings, plants, animals, etc. The single celled animals or plants are as follows: algae, bacteria, and fungi. Algae, single celled, Chlamydomonas. This is single cell algae. Bacteria, Monococcus surrounded, Monococcus. Fungi, yeast, they are single celled organism. Also protozoans are single celled animal. Amoeba, paramecium, entamoeba, and amoeba, euglena, etc. etc. These are the single cell animal. The all cells having a different number of chromosomes. The smallest chromosome is the haploid. Only one number, single number found in the bacteria. Only one chromosome in the bacteria. Other than bacteria having two or more chromosomes, 2 or more chromosome present in other organism except bacteria. All organism having 2 or more chromosomes. The smallest chromosome found to be present in Pinus. A smallest number of chromosome in Pinus only 4 in number. This is 4 in number and haploid 2 in number. This is diploid number and this is haploid number. Haploid number means gametic number. Gametic number of chromosome. This is zygotic number of chromosome. Just reduction of the half to diploid is the gametic and the haploid multiplied in diploid. And the largest one, this is smallest number of chromosome in Pinus, and the largest one, largest chromosome, largest chromosome in a plant pteridophytes, Ophioglossum having 1260 chromosome in the cell. Chromosome in the cell nucleus, in a single cell nucleus. This is the maximum number found to present in the plant kingdom. And the other organisms having a definite set of chromosome, for example human, diploid number 46, monkey, the fixed chromosome number 42, cat, (38), dog, 78 chromosome. Similarly, Drosophila, this is monkey, Drosophila also called fruit fly, having 8 number of chromosome. Similarly, the plant having a fixed number of chromosome, maize 20, pea 14, maize 20, pea 14, and many chromosomes, many organisms having different number of chromosomes are listed in the books. You can see there. I will move type of cells. This can be noted. The student, I am going to start the type of cell on the basis of nuclear position. Type of cell. Student, the cell is of two types on the basis of nature of nucleus. Nucleus is of two types. One is without nuclear membrane and the other with membrane. The nucleus which is naked is called nucleoid, and with the nucleus with a nuclear membrane is called true nucleus. On the basis of this, we can differentiate cells: prokaryotic cells, pro means incipient or initial. Carrion means nucleus. Understand? The organisms having ill-developed nucleus. Developed nucleus are called prokaryotes. Example: bacteria, blue-green algae, blue-green algae, green algae, and mycoplasma. These are prokaryotic in nature. Ill-developed nucleus means there is no membrane, only chromosome is present. There is lacking of nuclear membrane. There is no membrane. Such type of nucleus is said to be nucleoid. Such type of nucleus is called nucleoid. Whereas in eukaryotic cell, U means true and karyon means nucleus. Karyon means nucleus. The organism the organisms having true nucleus are called eukaryote. True nucleus means the chromosome is surrounded by nuclear membrane. Understand? There are difference on the basis of nuclear nature of nucleus. In the prokaryote, nucleus is naked. Naked means chromosome without covering or without nuclear membrane. And in case of eukaryote, the chromosome, this is chromosome. Chromosomes are surrounded by a covering called nuclear membrane. It is in the center of the cell. Before a start to differentiation between these two, I would like to draw cell of both of them. Everyone wants to screenshot, you may do. But first of all, we draw the prokaryotic and eukaryotic diagram. Thank you. This is the bacterial cell that can be drawn by the outermost is cell wall. The bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. In the center there is naked nucleoid. There is no cell organelles, only protoplasm, or this is called cytoplasm. The cell having many cell organelles, for example mitochondria, Golgi complex, lysosome, etc., chloroplast. But in case of prokaryote, there is lacking of all types of cell organelles. The cell wall is surrounded by plasma membrane, plasma membrane or cell membrane, cell membrane. In the cell membrane of bacterial cell or prokaryotic cell, some enfoldings as finger-like projections, that is called mesosomes. Mesosomes. This is called lateral position. Lateral position of mesosome is called lateral mesosome, and the mesosome, yeah, enfoldings of plasma membrane which separate the cell are called septal mesosome. Septal mesosome, this is nucleoid, and important thing is that there is present free ribosomes or free ribosomes. Ribosomes, these are of 70S type. These are of 70S type. What do you mean by 70S type? 70 means unit and S means Svedberg unit. S for SVED. Berg unit. S means Svedberg unit, and this is measured as Svedberg unit. 70S type of ribosome are found in prokaryotes. Along with this, also present PHB, polyhydroxybutyrate. This is carbon source of the prokaryote. Also some having gas vacuoles and vacuoles filled with gases. Some sulfur granules are also pertain for as a source of sulfur, and sometimes polymetaphosphate these are inclusions in prokaryotic cell which provide something. PHB provide carbon source, metaphosphate provide phosphate source, and sulfur granules provide sulfur. Bacteria also absorb some food inside the cell. This is called food storage vacuole. Bacteria especially store glycogen and oils. Understood? This is the bacterial cell. Bacterial cell is surrounded by, a prokaryotic cell is surrounded by solid hard rigid cell wall. Hard rigid cell wall made up of peptidoglycan. Inside there is present plasma membrane which have many foldings inside the cell. These are called mesosomes. One of them is lateral and the other is septal mesosome. Septal mesosome. In the center there is present nucleoid. In the present nucleoid. In the center present nucleoid. Inside the cell there is present cytoplasm or protoplasm having many ribosomes and some inclusions, and all cell organelles are lacking there. Understand? It means all the activities are performed by plasma membrane alone. Plasma membrane alone. What functions? Respiration, photosynthesis, secretion, respiration. These are the functions performed by the cell organelles in eukaryote, but in prokaryote these functions are performed by cell membrane alone. Means cell membrane is the all in one. Understand? Okay. Wow. Next, the eukaryotic cells is designed. How designed? We can say this can be noted. The eukaryotic cell are of two types, either plant or animal cell. This is cell membrane or plasma membrane having just inside the cell wall. Present just inside the cell wall. The plant cell having a large vacuole. Large vacuole. Nucleus. Eccentric there is present chloroplast. Also this is mitochondria, spherosome, dictyosome, food vacuoles. This is central vacuole. Spherosome, also called plant lysosome. This is the true nucleus. Inside there is present nucleolus. Nucleolus is the factory of ribosome, and inside the chromosome. This is mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell. This one chloroplast acting photosynthesis. Also present many ribosomes. It is of ATS type, involved in protein synthesis. These are dictyosome, also called plant Golgi complex, right? This is food vacuole. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. Inside the central vacuole there is present cell sap. There is present cell sap. Sap means water plus mineral. Water plus minerals. These are the simple. This is the simple diagram of plant cell. Again, we see the animal cell. There is also present endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. In plant cell, there is no cell wall, only cell membrane is present. Membrane is present. Inside the cell there is present cytoplasm, plant cell. I have already seen. In animal cell there is no cell wall but a naked plasma membrane or cell membrane. The animal cell having a specific centriole or centrosome. It also having a lysosome, Golgi complex, This is mitochondria, nucleus and nucleolus. These are ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, ER or endoplasmic reticulum. These are the organelles. Some of the organelles as like that of plant cell and some are different from the plant cell. The comparison between plant cell and animal cell and eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell are differentiated in the next chapter. Thank you for this. Bye.